Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to QIDI Smart, your go-to channel for making those tough purchasing decisions a breeze. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers. On my left, we have the QIDI MAX3, and on my right, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. Let's see which one of these bad boys is worth your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk money. The QIDI MAX3 comes in at a wallet-crying $1,099. Meanwhile, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is a more budget-friendly $399. If your bank account is already looking at you with those sad puppy eyes, the FLASHFORGE might just be your new best friend. So if you want to keep some cash for, food or rent, the FLASHFORGE takes the lead here. But hold your horses, folks, because price isn't everything. Now, let's talk about speed. Both of these printers are like the Usain Bolts of the 3D printing world. The QIDI MAX3 boasts a maximum speed of 600 millimeters per second with 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. Not too shabby, right? But guess what? The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M matches that speed with the same 600 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. It's like a neck-and-neck race at this point. But here's the kicker. The QIDI MAX3 has a massive 315 millimeters printing size. It's like the SUV of 3D printers. The FLASHFORGE? It's more like a compact car. So if you're planning to print out a life-sized replica of your cat, go with the QIDI. Otherwise, the FLASHFORGE will do just fine for your average-sized projects. Stability and durability. Because nobody likes a wobbly print. The QIDI MAX3 has an ultra-stable all-metal frame, 6mm aluminum heatbed plate, and 10mm hardened hollow steel linear shafts. Sounds like it could survive a zombie apocalypse, right? Meanwhile, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is robust but open. It's like comparing a tank to a convertible. The QIDI is built for the long haul, while the FLASHFORGE is more suited for those who like to feel the wind in their hair or filament. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of user experience. The QIDI MAX3 comes fully assembled and auto-leveling, featuring Clipper firmware and Core XY structure. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Plus, it's got a direct drive extruder for standard and specialty filaments. Fancy, huh? On the flip side, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M also has auto-leveling and features like a filament runout sensor and power loss recovery. It's like the printer that never gives up on you. Sort of like that one friend who always shows up to help you move. Last but not least, let's talk about customer support. The QIDI MAX3 offers a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical assistance. It's like having a tech-savvy buddy on speed dial. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M? Well, it's got a solid reputation too, but the specifics on customer support aren't as flashy. Pun totally intended. Overall, reviewers found the QIDI MAX3 to be a high-quality, versatile printer that excels in stability and customer support, ideal for both hobbyists and industrial use. On the other hand, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is praised for being user-friendly, reliable, and affordable, making it a fantastic entry-level option for beginners and experienced users alike. So there you have it, smart shoppers. If you've got the budget and need a beastly machine, the QIDI MAX3 is your go-to. But if you're looking for a solid performer that won't break the bank, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is your new best friend. Let us know in the comments which one you're going for. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Buy Smart comparisons. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy printing!